Hi, today I'm going to share a tutorial how to highlight a newspaper. First, create a black solid frame and put it beneath the newspaper. And then go to Effect and search for Stroke and apply it on the black solid frame. Change the paint style into transparent and check on all masks. You can adjust the color whatever you want. Let's say I use green for today. Now go to pen tool and pin on the text you want to highlight. As you can see, there's a green line on the text. And increase the brush size until the text got covered like this. Change the layer mode on the black solid into multiply. To make it animated as if the text is highlighted, set the N on the 0. Then drag the keyframe to the selected second and change the N into the number 0. Like this. As you can see now, the text is now highlighted. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!